Thank you, Mr. Heisey. I'm Chris McGuire, and I'm a second-year student in the Multimedia program here at TCD, and I'll be leading your virtual tour today. In this course, you'll learn advanced techniques to edit video and audio using our resources and learn how to produce your own short films and television productions. This is what our classroom looks like. This is where we review chapters and brainstorm new ideas. Here's where you spend most of your time, our editing lab. Each lab has 2 or more computers, each of which has the full Adobe suite and an analog soundboard. Moving on with the tour, this is our video control room that we use during studio productions, which is subsequently used alongside our audio control room. Finally, this is the studio itself. We use this space for countless events throughout the year, including running your very own TV show episode. As we conclude the tour, I'd personally recommend this course even if you're remotely interested in film or television. It's a fantastic course with a great deal of experience, and it's a perfect way to create business connections that will help you out even after graduation. We hope that you are interested in this course, and we hope that you will enroll in TCD for next year.